Oh my god, oh my god. Everyone is buying this coin right now. There is so much volatility, which means that it is perfect for this coin. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 70k, bro. Alright, yo, it's actually looking pretty solid, bro. I love these buyers coming in. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, come on, just a couple more buyers. Yo, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna cut the profit short. Once we hit 50k, I'm gonna remove liquidity. Come on, bro. Oh my god, no, I have no more time to waste, bro. Fuck it. What you wanna do, go to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Okay, good shit. And then confirm. Oh my god! We just made my Phantom wallet's been going wild. I've racked up over $678,000 this month just launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Don't click away. I'm about to break it all down. Bro, I know you guys are tired of hearing me say this over and over and over again, but you guys need to understand it, man. I just want the best for you guys. Stop trading these meme coins. There's no way in hell you guys are gonna make this. How do I know this? I used to trade these coins too every single day after school. I would lose all of my money. I'm telling you guys, all of my money. My parents were not proud of me. But now that I've completely turned my life around by creating meme coins, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how we do it. So what we do, we create coins, we wait for buys, and then we just dump it all on their head, bro. It's as simple as that. Guys, how are you guys gonna do it? On coinlabs.fun. Remember, this website is the best website on YouTube to creating your coins. And if you guys keep watching and join my Telegram, we're doing giveaways on there for Solana, so you guys can get a jump start on creating your own meme coins. Now, why is this strategy so effective? Basically, you can create your coins whenever you want, only requiring less than 1 Solana, and the strategy is fully repeatable. You guys can create hundreds of these meme coins, getting them to over $100,000 in market cap, and then just removing the liquidity. As simple as that, guys. So Coinlabs is in the description. Now let's get straight on with the rest. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, it is the only real website on YouTube. Secondly, your coin is launched in seconds with no coding required. And third of all, your coin gets created straight to the Radium DEX. Now, this is the most important part of the video, so stay focused. Now, why is this important for you guys? Well, it creates your coin straight here, and you get way more attention, way more buys, and way more eyeballs, so people are more likely to see your coin. And if you have a good narrative, boy, it is game over. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coin on Pump.Fun is for this reason. You guys, these coins and just Pump.Fun in general is too saturated. There are too many bullshit coins being created every single second, not seeing the light of day. And the second thing that is annoying with this website is that it has to reach a bonding curve. Now, what is the bonding curve? When your coin hits $90,000 in market cap, it will transfer over to the Radium liquidity pool. But why would we go through all that hassle when we can just create the coin straight on the Radium liquidity pool with coinlabs.fun? The way you guys are going to be making quick ass profit, possibly thousands, is by going on the copy trending coins tab on coinlabs.fun. Now, what this tab does is it goes through thousands of coins on Bullex, on Photon, on Pump.Fun, and it finds the one that are proven to making sales, proven to getting a ton of buys. Now, if we look, I have 3 golden rules, 3 strategies on which coin you guys should click, which coin you guys should create. Now, the best thing is that it takes 1 click. Click here and make thousands. Now look, now my first golden rule is to find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000. Now, it is pretty easy. Half of these coins have a market cap over 30,000. Pretty easy. Second rule, it has to have a good narrative, a narrative that is up to date with what's going on right now. And the last rule is that when you refresh, your coin has to have at least a buy in the last 15 seconds or else it is slowing down. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right right now, we're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.